This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So this we are recording this meeting session. So everyone will get this recorded session after the meeting. So please welcome Dinesh for this training. So he will be like trainer for this training session. So yeah,
Hi everyone.
Dinesh, now I'm handing over to you. You can share your screen and please just start
Yeah,
the demo session.
thank you so much. Thank you. Hi everyone. Good evening. I hope you all are doing well. So let me share my screen. Please confirm if you see my screen.
Yes, visible. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. So as we know, like we have collected here for SAP BTP training demo session. Okay. So I will be your trainer and I will give like all the practical related scenario. I will let you know all the things. If you have any questions, please free to ask me. So I will be giving the answer. Okay, fine. So this is my RAP demo PPT. So these are the contents like what we are going to do in this RAP training. So this is my introduction. So I have 13 plus years of experience in SAP. So done multiple SAP implementation, right? So I did a multiple project in SAP related to RAP or integration or implementation, right? So these all are my introduction, and this is the background for like SAP certified consultant, 13 years of experience, workflow TM, SAP RAP, ABAP on HANA, right? So this is all about related to me. So this is the ABAP programming model evaluation. So as we know, like ABAP RESTful application programming, that is called RAP on BTP. Okay, so on BTP platform, that is ABAP instance. So we can call as ABAP RESTful programming. Okay, so here we will write the code and develop the Fiori pages. Okay, so the RESTful application programming model allows to developer efficiency, build cloud ready transactional business apps, right? So service and extension on SAP BTP. So this all functionalities will be available 1909 and higher version. So as of now, if you see everywhere in all over the industry, in all over the globe, SAP RAP is the heart of like ABAP platform, okay, where all the ABAP consultant can also develop the Fiori pages as compared to Fiori consultant or Capam consultant. Okay, so the same pages we can develop here. So the idea behind the SAP, like ABAP consultant can also develop this type of development. Okay, earlier it was not possible. Only ABAP consultant can do SE38 programming or ALV report related things, right? But if anything wanted to expose to UI, so we need to make OData and then we need to communicate with Fiori consultant, and they are the right person and responsible person to expose all the data on the UI. But after this technology, a ABAP consultant can also develop the UI related pages. Okay, so this is the historical context of SAP RAP. So earlier it was like before 7.5 version, it was classical ABAP programming, right? Then it will come. Then after the 7.5, we were able to develop our OData or core data services and Fiori elements. That is CDS based approach, right? So there we need to write a multiple like that was also a framework related things, right? So in that framework it was very difficult to write CRUD operation and multiple things, that business logic, right? But after 19009 on premise or private cloud or public cloud, we can say, in this RAP model, SAP has provided two types of business object, that is called, maybe you also aware, managed application and unmanaged application. So in managed application, SAP framework will do automatically the CRUD operation, and in unmanaged BO, you can go and write a code like SE38. Like you have all the freedom. SAP has given all the freedom to write any type of coding in unmanaged. So we will see in deep in our next session. Okay. So this is the key features. So as we already discussed, like this will be available 19009 edition. Efficient way to build a enterprise ready application on SAP HANA optimized OData, Fiori UI services and web APIs. Support both greenfield and brownfield development. Okay. So here I just wanted to let you know the greenfield and brownfield development. So for greenfield, you can do your managed application, and for brownfield you can use your existing logic also in the unmanaged application. Okay. So how practically it will run, how can we write the logic, how can we do the custom coding, everything I will let you know when we start the session. Okay. So cloud ready application like enable building transactional business app service and extension, that is possible here. Application for BTP ABAP environment S4 HANA. Maybe you guys are also aware about embedded on-premise system. There are three system come into the picture. Embedded on-premise system. So in the on-premise S4 HANA system, you can connect via cloud connected that BTP system, and then you can start your development, right? And one system is private cloud. So in private cloud, you also have GUI. In embedded on-premise, you also have GUI, but in cloud system, public cloud, there is no any GUI concept. Okay. So for all the system is supporting RAP development. Nowadays, every industry is following the same practice. No one is going to write a logic in SE38 or seeing some ALV report. Everyone wanted, every organization practice currently and in the future, they wanted all the things runs on mobile application or tablet or laptop, right? No one is going to log in SAP system. They just give the tile and just click on that, and then a report will display. Okay. So like this, the development approach SAP is following, and every organization is also following these approaches. So what SAP RAP is offering, okay, high deployment efficiency, standard development flow, best practice development guide, focus on business logic rather than technical aspects, native testability, documentability, and supportability, code push down in S4 HANA. There are multiple approaches which is following by SAP RAP methodology. Okay. So like support and product quality, user experience in like SAP Fiori S4 HANA, cloud scalability, out of box extensibility, and sorry, flexibility, right? These type of things we can also do in our RAP development. Okay. So there are multiple consultant who has doubt about a capm and RAP, right? So there, like I just wanted to give one idea. If you are familiar with open source code, if you know about the open source code like javascripting, node.js, right? So you can go and develop the Fiori application on capm technology. If you don't know about this technology, but yes, you know about the ABAP technology, then you can also develop the pace. Okay. So where we will write all the code and logic. So if you have on-premise system, you can also connect that system to Eclipse system, right? And you can develop your pages or UI related things. If you don't have anything, for practice purpose, like we are also going to give all the training on HANA trial account. So for here, you need to go register. Everyone may be aware about how to create the login and how to create a web instance. No need to worry. We will provide all the support on this. Okay. So here we will go and create the ABAP instance, trial account, service key, and then we need to upload that service key in our Eclipse application, and then uh, we can start building CDS, we can start building data model. So data model is nothing that is VDM. So every application, as per best SAP guideline, we will follow the approach on VDM. So we will create interface view, we will create composite view, we will create consumption view, and then after the consumption view we will create as per the SAP RAP guideline, that BO, business object, managed or unmanaged. Based on that, we will create behavior definition, service binding. There are multiple new things in this particular technology. So slowly you will learn everything. Okay. So roadmap for this training. First, we are going to set up your system. How can we develop the CDS and all? Then via CDS, via metadata extension, we will create a very good read-only application. Okay, because read-only application same as your SE38 report, right? So in the industry, if you are aware, there are multiple reporting required as per the business process. So the same methodology we will learn here, how to create read-only application. Then we will move to a managed scenario, where we will create input fields. That fields we will put the data, and that data saved into our DB label, right? So there we will learn how to add button, how to hide the button, how to put the validation, how to put side effect. There are multiple methodology that is provided by SAP framework. So all the practical related things I will guide. So after the managed scenario, I start unmanaged scenario, where we will have the freedom to write any type of code. Okay, so here also we will develop the same application as managed application, but in the managed application you cannot do anything, the CRUD operation that is provided by SAP framework, RAP framework. But here in unmanaged scenario, we need to write the code same as our SE38 code. Okay, custom entity. So custom entity means, suppose your system is upgrading from ECC to S4 HANA or private cloud. Okay, and for example, there are multiple business report running last 20 years, 10 years, and that report they wanted same report into the RAP platform. They wanted as a Fiori pages, right? So via custom entity, you can convert that code into RAP framework and so to the UI. So how to do, right? How to do this type of things practically in the system, that I will let you know in this training. And one a very good scenario we will also covering in this training, that is BAPI scenario. Okay, because RAP framework, if you know or if you don't know, that is not an issue. So in BAPI framework, that commit statement will not work. If you use commit, that framework will not allow. So how to use BAPI here? There are multiple prerequisite for BAPI, so I will also let you know here. Okay, so this type of training we are going to provide here. So I can say this is not only related to ABCD, this is more than ABCD. Okay, so I am going to show you one application. I have created multiple application. So I have captured all the application output in one recording, so I'm going to show you that recording. So at least you will have some idea what we are going to cover and what we are going to learn in this training. Then after, if you have any question, that I am happy to give all the answers from your question. So give me 2-3 minutes, so I am going to play this video. I hope you will like this video. So whatever the scenario you will see in this video, the all scenario I am going to let you know in this training. Okay, so I'm playing this particular recording. Please see.
Dinesh, can you just explain also, because voice is not coming of this recorded session?
Okay, fine. So I will
Yeah,
explain
yeah.
first. It will like okay, fine. So I am starting this video again. Okay, let me mute this. Thanks for the thanks for the confirmation, Ranjit. So okay, fine. So this is the unmanaged application. So we will learn first read-only application, then we will go for let me run then read only application. Okay, fine. So this is the read only application. We will learn how to create CDS, how to create composite, how to create consumption. On top of the consumption, how to create behavior definition, right? How to display this particular, you can say, output, right? This purchase order, that line item count is coming, this search, but how to, this input field will come, this country input field will come, right? That is called search help here, value help, right? So if you see this screen, so whenever I will click a particular line item, this is the object page will display. So inside the object page, if you see here, logo is coming, particular heading is coming, multiple tabs are coming, right? And if you see, as per the purchase order data, all the line item is showing in the last tab. Okay, that is PO line item tab. So this type of read only application we will see, we will learn here. And once you will click on the particular line item, you can also see the output on the third object page. Okay, so see here. Okay, so if you see here, there are multiple tabs. So these tabs I will let you know how to create. This is collection tab. Inside the collection tab, how to create another tab. See here, this is organization data and this is vendor master. So that is called collection tab, because inside one tab there are multiple tabs are coming. So how to create this, how to upload a logo, how to display the logo here, right? So everything you will learn in read only application. So see here that F4 help is working fine. If you see any value as per the input field, it will filter the output. See here, only IN data is display. So how to enable the F4 help? Because once you expose your UI, that F4 help will not come. So for every F4 help, you need to enable the value help. How to enable? There are multiple things: standard F4 help, custom F4 help, right? So in SAP system we call as F4 help. Here the name is changed, that is called value help. So how to enable value help for custom field, for standard field? If you want to put any custom F4 help or search help, how to attach with the input field, that I will let you know in this read only application. Okay, so after the read only application, this is the managed application. So this managed application, we will learn action determination, pop-up, custom button, update auto fields, draft table. If you see this screen here, if you see this screen, updating draft. So draft functionality means if you are entering data on the screen and this data is not saved yet in the original table, but it's saving somewhere else. Okay, that is called draft functionality in the RAP framework. And if you see here, make admin, remove admin, this is the custom button. Okay, so how to add custom button? Based on the condition, this button will be display, right? So this type of functionality. How to handle validation? Suppose user is entering something and that is not fulfilled as per the requirement, so that pop-up will come as a error screen. So that is called validation here. So all the things you will learn here in the managed application. Okay, so data is saved. So here you can edit, delete, that is the functionality provided by SAP framework. Okay, so this is the managed scenario. See here, that button pop-up is coming. Yes, so it's updating the field and this field is automatically updating. So how to update dynamically field? How to handle dynamic buttons, right? Suppose my requirement is this create button will be disabled, edit button will be disabled, based on some condition delete button will be disabled. So this type of things we will cover in our managed application. Okay, and suppose in the
So
in our
Dinesh, one more question.
Mhm.
So once you submit also created that PO has been created or whatever, the record has been created, right?
Right.
So where we can check this one, like record has been updated in the table level, that is in this SE16, the same only.
Yes. In if you have on-premise system, you can go and check in DB. But this HANA trial account, this is the example for public cloud. So like this is the public cloud system, that is HANA trial account. So in this section, if you see here, dictionary is available. Okay. So in the dictionary, you can go right click, right click, and here also you can open with and data preview. So you can get the data, or no need to see the data in the DB level, right? Because application is already displaying all the data. Okay. And here we will also learn TMG, how to create TMG, because earlier this functionality was not available with the previous version. But yes, now SAP has released, so we can also create the TMG here. Okay. So let me complete these video, then one by one I can answer all the question. Okay, so this is a very simple example which I think we have done earlier in S4 also, based on some F4 help, some value will automatically populate in the different
Okay.
field. So this type of things we can do in managed or unmanaged
Okay.
application. So if you see this recording, I'm just creating one record. Okay, and based on the input fields, I'm entering the data in the input fields. So once I will select a country, that description will automatically update here. If you see here, yes, F4, UP, see here, Uttar Pradesh is automatically updated. So this type of dynamic things we can also do in SAP RAP. So for that, we have multiple annotation that is provided by RAP framework. So what is the what is the right annotation? I will let you know, and we will learn here how to use the right annotation for particular scenario or particular requirement. Okay, so this is the example for this one, and this is the example of
Hi,
custom
hi,
entity.
Dinesh.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, actually, whatever the previous application you were showing, so in
Hmm.
there is a PO number, right?
Right.
So PO number you enter or it's coming from the EKPO.
No, this is the custom DB table. I'm entering the value.
Okay, okay, sure,
Okay.
got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose that we want to fetch the data from EKPO,
Hmm.
so that time also we will create the customized table.
No, you directly
That
create your composite view, because already interface view is created in the SAP system, right? That CDS view. Or if you want, you can create interface view again on EKKO table, then EKPO table, then multiple tables are there, right? Be
Yes,
T001,
yeah. Suppose that I
T001
want to
WMAKT
create
table.
the rep programming for the based
Hmm.
on the standard table only. Okay, so
Right.
that time I will not create the any of the customized table, right?
Right, right. No need to create. That is called read-only application. Okay. So in the
Yeah,
read-only
yeah,
application, you have all the data available in your, but in this trial system, there is no any table available. So what we need to do,
yeah,
we need to create some custom table. We need to put some data in the table. So for that, we
yeah,
need to create class. We need to use some interface to create the entry in the table, and then we can go and write our particular like CDS, composite, consumption, metadata extension, right? Then it will be
yeah.
display
Got
on
it.
the UI. Okay.
Okay,
I
got it,
hope you
got it.
you are clear. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Sure, sure.
okay,
Thank you.
thank you. So this is the custom entity example. So custom entity means your system is upgrading from old to new system, not a public cloud. That you need to remember. This is for S4 HANA scenario where your backend system is available, your GUI is available. Okay. So here this data is coming from S4 HANA table. Okay. And based on S4 HANA table, this is taking the record. We that is actually this is looks like a read only application, but this is very different scenario. Okay, because your report is running in S4 HANA system, right? And that logic, the same logic we are mapping into the wrapped system. So maybe the output you will feel okay, this is the read only application. Yes, this is read only application, but data is coming very different concept, right? So I will let you know how you can use your existing logic and how to show on onto the UI as a custom entity. Okay, so this is a very good example called with association. So custom entity will work on like if we are talking about ALV report, right? So in ALV report, we need to display data on single page, or based on the requirement, you need to create hyperlink and header. Based on the header data, it will show the item data. So like that, this particular custom entity development is working here. Okay, so based on the PO number, it's showing the line item data. So like this, I have given some example here. And one more example I need to show you. This is unmanaged scenario. So unmanaged scenario, so I maybe like you see here early numbering. So early numbering means this, whenever you will go for create a new record, that particular number range automatically generated. So we also have done in our S4 or ECC system that number range function module, right? So that number will automatically assign in the primary key. So that is called here early numbering. So this is a particular application giving example on unmanaged scenario. So for any type of CRUD operation, for any type of scenario, we need to write a code. Without code, this application will not work because framework will not allow. Framework is allowed, developer needs to write any type of coding here. As per the code, it will act. Okay. So if you create entry, draft table, everything is working. I have written the logic. Okay. And this is the scenario for BAPI. If you see here, maybe you have some, you see here in mm02 that material number, current material number is testing. Okay, now I will open the UI. Okay, refresh the application. So currently I have done a hard coding in the coding level. So see here, one button is there, call BAPI, message is coming, BAPI successfully updated. Now I'm going to see in MM03 that particular material description is now changed. Okay, so this is the basic example just I am giving here. So once we will do the practical, we will see some real time scenario. From the UI, we will have header data, item data, right? Based on the header and item data, we will create some PO or we will create some material number at the time of real time practice. Okay, so this is just for an example which type of scenario we will see in this training. So if you have any question, you can ask. I hope you like this particular recording or session. So if you have any question related to this, if you have anything, you can ask me.
Dinesh, see, we have seen managed app application, right? We
Right.
can build the same thing using Fiori elements, right? What is the advantage using RAP here?
So Fiori element was working on BOPF concept, right? There were multiple restrictions. That is why SAP come up with this RAP technology, right? So
We
here,
we can use
yes,
we are using annotations, right, there for
yes,
building.
the same thing. You can call Fiori element, you can call RAP development. That is the advanced version of Fiori element, you can say. Only the thing is BOPF is not here. Everything
Okay.
is same, everything like
Same. We are
metadata
using same
extension,
annotations,
annotation.
same as
Yes,
RAP.
everything. There is no any changes from SAP side. Only the changes is SAP has removed that BOPF concept from here.
Okay,
Now this is
suppose.
working. SAP is saying RAP
Okay.
framework.
Oh, okay, okay. Suppose if any CAPM developers or UEFI developers, if they want to learn RAP, what are the prerequisites to start with?
Prerequisite is ABAP,
ABAP in
right?
the sense latest ABAP or old
Old or
that one?
latest, both code will work here, right? So suppose as a Fiori consultant, they wanted to call some 20 years back logic in your Fiori application, right? On RAP application. If Fiori consultant like unable to understand the logic, then how can he write the logic for custom entity? How can he
Yeah,
write that logic? He cannot build. He can do or she can do that open source coding, right? That
yeah.
input fields or javascripting code they can do. But that is why SAP has given something for ABAP consultant. That is my personal opinion. That
Okay.
is my like
Okay, thank you for the clarification. And will this course cover core ABAP and clean core extensibility and along with RAP or only the RAP?
only RAP, where you will
Only
learn
RAP.
CDS, yes, CDS, managed application, unmanaged application, and custom entity and BAPI and data uploading. How to upload the data from CSV file, or if you want to upload any type of file into RAP application, right? Or PDF, CSV, any type of file. That type of practical scenario, I designed this course this way. Maybe
Oh,
I
okay.
will come in the future with extensibility course, but as of now as per my understanding,
Only
this course is
only RAM.
sufficient for, yes, sufficient for at least you can learn RAP and you can understand what is managed, what is unmanaged, what is custom entity. If you wanted to run the BAPI, right, there are multiple challenges in the RAP framework. If you are working in real time scenario, that BAPI is the one of the toughest scenario, I can say, right? So I designed this course, like me and Ranjit designed this course this way. So at least you will have some idea, and you will have some confidence after this course, right? Yes, I can do some RAP development being a back consultant.
Okay. Thank
So
you.
So
Dinesh,
Venki,
one more.
at least CDS view knowledge will help you to learn
Right.
this RAP course. So, like if you will know how to create CDS views, what are annotations, OData, okay. So then at least you can work on RAP. So
And in
since
these
Dinesh,
days,
yeah.
yeah, in these days there are multiple, like in my current organization also, my system is upgrading, right? So if, like, everyone is aware, there are not only SAP system exist in the organization, there are a multiple system that is non SAP, right? So there are multiple APIs in running in the organization. So earlier, what we need to do, we need to develop the OData service, right? Nowadays no one is going to develop a OData service. Everything you need to create CDS level, you just need to expose on RAP framework and just give it to CPI consultant or non SAP system or MuleSoft, any type of non SAP system they can consume, right? Every association logic, expand entity, input field, right? Whatever the data you are putting for input in the OData API, the same thing will work here without any additional coding in the CDS level. You just need to expose your API to, I will show you once it will start, I will show all the things on Postman also, everything.
Okay. Thank you.
Anyone else?
Please ask. Yeah.
Yes, I'm happy
So
to give the
Yes,
answer.
what will
yes.
the course duration? I mean,
Hello.
within how many days it will get completed?
Course duration, I can say it will be approximately 20 hours.
Okay. So classes will be on weekend or weekdays also?
Like, we need to also ask in the group like which time the people will convenient, and then Ranjit will post the message and all.
So guys, generally in weekend everyone like free, okay. But as per the majority of the people, okay, we will decide, okay. So for course curriculum, we will connect. So first of all, we need to be understand how many people are interested for this course. The beauty of this course is that me, Ranjit, and Dinesh both are rap expert. So you will get here good ideas, good guidance on rap development and upcoming new technology on BTP, okay, from both of us. Okay, since and we have created one group as well, so you can post your query also. So we can try our level best to help you on your RAP query at least.
Great. So
So
here
here, yeah.
we are not going to copy paste any code from scratch. I will let you know everything for every application, right? S- So in this application, I'm just giving, there are multiple, like if you are working in like sales order screen or purchase order screen, there are multiple tables available in the SAP system, right? The same manner here in the managed or unmanaged, there are multiple tables available, multiple variables are available. So each of variable, what is the work, which time you need to use, which internal table is responsible. There are multiple table, maybe you are aware, create table, map table, reported table, fail table, right? Determination, instance feature, mapping. There are multiple terminology here. Everything I will let you know from scratch. Yes, Ranjit, you can continue. Sorry for that.
Yeah, and if you were if you observed everyone, so in this demo session, so Dinesh has explained only practical things. Okay, so we have not kill your time to explain you the history of the RAP, history of SAP, as like other training sessions like trainer do generally. They only explain the like history and these things. So if you observed, we only explained you the practical things, and in the training session also like we will explain you practical things on like in real time project what we are working and what kind of objects are coming. So those practical information we will give you, okay, with theoretical plus more practical. It will definitely going to different from the other other trainers. Okay, definitely this training session is going to amazing, because here in the same training session you are going to connect with two trainer, okay, at the same time. Okay, so like you can message me or Dinesh to get the course curriculum details, fee structure, okay, and timing. So once we will receive all the like interested person response, so accordingly we will decide the common time for the training. Okay, okay. Thank you from my side.
Hi,
So you can ask your
hi
query.
Dinesh.
Yeah.
I have I have a
Yeah,
small
hi.
query. So this training
Yes,
will be,
please.
you will cover the RAP. I mean, I am from ABAP background. So RAP,
Okay.
what I understood, like RAP, I can understand RAP, like if I go through your training materials or if I attend your training. But I have a query between RAP and CAPM model, BTP CAPM. So whatever
Yeah.
Right.
application you will be developing in RAP, the same application can be developed in CAPM model also, or how we can decide which framework should we use?
See, this is very, very good question. So that is again depends on your project, right? Suppose I am a project manager, right? And I got one requirement to develop a Fiori application, right? So being a project manager, I need to check in my team which capability which capability is available, right? For example, open source code consultant are there. Okay, so they know about the Node.js, they know about the JavaScripting, they know about the Fury platform, right? That is open source platform. Okay, so I can easily go to them and ask for the development. For example, in this scenario, as per your question, I am a project manager and I don't have any open source consultant in my team. I have only a ABAP consultant. I can go and ask my ABAP consultant, we need to develop this type of page, so via RAP you can develop. The both technology is same as terms of output of Fiori pages. Okay.
And what SAP recommend? I mean, performance wise, both are same, or
Yes, yes,
which one
both
is
are same.
preferred?
No, see, both are from SAP side. Okay, SAP is not
Hmm.
comparing this is faster, this is faster. Both is the same
Okay,
technology. Depends on your capability, you can go and develop.
okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. If you know about, again I'm saying, if you know about open source platform, you can go and do CAPM model. If you are a web background, you know about the CDS, you know about multiple things, the same page you can develop from here also. There is no any confusion, there is no any challenge. Whatever the CAPM consultant can do, you can also do in RAP.
And to build RAP application, is there any concept like the server must be in cloud, like S4HANA public cloud system must be there, or we can build it in normal S4HANA on-premise system as well?
Both three system are there:
Okay.
embedded on premise, that is the on premise system, private cloud, public cloud. So in on premise and private cloud, both have GUI access. Okay, for example, if you go on your Eclipse system in help, right, maybe some of people aware, some of people not aware, install new software, go to the HANA on demand platform, there you will get the link, you can install the ABAP related things on the Eclipse system, and here you will get the option. So for on-premise system, you can select ABAP project. For public cloud system, you need to select ABAP cloud project. Okay. The thing is, in the ABAP cloud project, you will not get your GUI related things. For example, your T codes, your ECC tables, S4 tables, you will not get. Only the CDS view you will get on cloud platform. If your system is on-premise, you will get everything. For example, see here, this is my public cloud example, that is HANA trial account. Okay, This is my HANA trial account, and this is my S4 system. This is my S4 system. This is my S4 system. So whatever the application will run in this block, everything, the data is coming from my S4 database. I hope you are clear.
Yes, yes. So now, for training purpose, are you going to provide the server as well, or how
No,
we are going
for
to
in this
practice?
in this training we will use HANA trial account, because unnecessary we don't want to cost on your pocket. Okay, so here also we can complete this training, and after that in your organization or anywhere the same code will work your on-premise system also.
Okay, so here we'll be
If
creating
you
custom
have,
tables only.
yes, if you have anything, if you have any server, you can go and practice, no issue. For example, I'm just giving one example here. For example, if you see here, uh, here, here, see here, I'm using S4 HANA tables, but the same manner in the public cloud, the same manner in the public cloud, we need to create the table and we need to push the data in the table. For example, here, this is the public cloud, means HANA trial account. So if you see here, everything we need to create. Okay.
So in this training, are you going to cover S/4HANA public cloud related artifacts, or you are going to cover only the RAP related artifacts?
See, both system is same in terms of coding. Okay. So
Okay.
we will do this training on HANA trial account. Okay. And if you have any S4 system, you can connect your Eclipse system. You can do the same coding. The thing is, here we will use some custom table, and there on premise system, you can use your standard table also, right? Only the table name are changing, nothing else.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So Dinesh, my question, can I?
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes. Please go ahead.
I am actually Dinesh. I don't have the ABAP experience, but yes,
Okay.
I know the functionality of ABAP and how to do. I know that since I'm a functional consultant and over the MDG side,
Got
so I
it.
know somehow coding also. So I haven't the like hands-on experience. I don't have. Can we
First
continue
of
this
all,
course on this?
sorry, sorry, I'm interrupting to you. So here, like, you don't required ABAP logic first. Okay. So
Okay.
see, there are multiple things. We definitely require the ABAP logic in unmanaged application, but for understanding point of
Mhm.
view, at least you can understand 60% or 70%. For read-only application, you just need to create CDS view, and you can create CDS view, right? I will create a CDS view from scratch. So there are very simple statements, select query you can put and you can fetch the data, right? Maybe you will not understand. See, I'm like saying, to be very frank, so in the unmanaged application maybe we will write some complex logic, right? That maybe you will not able to understand, but other than that, how the managed application is running, how the read only application, how to attach F4 help, how to hide button, that type of that is only annotation based, that is not based on ABAP logic. So yes, I can say
Mhm.
you can do.
Okay. And that you are going to only give the wrap only, right? You are not giving any capable.
No, not CAPM.
Hello? Okay.
Yes,
Capable
yes,
means
For
not
like
CAPM.
CAPM,
JavaScript, Node.js.
No, no, not actually.
Yes, yes.
Here in this technology, Java scripting is not required. Okay, Java scripting, Node.js, that
No,
is not required in this technology. This is
but
purely
for the
backend.
CAPM,
Where you
yeah,
for
for the
CAPM,
CAPM.
yes, you required Node. Yes, for Node.js, Java scripting, that is required for CAPM.
Okay,
Okay,
got
I
it.
hope you are clear with the differences.
Yes. But some of the organization having CAPM development, some of having RAP development, right? Like both are same.
Right, right. Both are
features, I
same.
think.
There is no any differences. Both are same. With the both technology,
Okay.
you can develop the Fury pages. That's it.
So what is the advantages for this RAP and CAPM? Like rather than RAP, like CAPM, uh, like what is the advantages of a RAP?
See, I can say a very simple language. Everything, if you will do on CAPM open source, then what ABAP consultant will do, right? That is why SAP has think something and come up with this solution. There are two
Okay.
technology that open. See, in the market, if you see, the open source is also available, the backend code is also available, right? So both way
Mhm.
SAP has proposed you can do this type of things, like, so if you want to do one work, there is two way, as per your choice, as per your organization structure, as per your practice, you can go select and fulfill the requirement. That's it. That is from like my understanding. So if you have like anything else, you can go and search on SAP portal also. You will get a very good answer from there. But as per my understanding, these are the differences and these are the things are there.
Okay.
Anyone have RAP related query? Okay,
If not, then Ranjit will share all
yeah,
the
yeah,
information related to
yes,
training and
yes,
all timing,
yeah, yeah,
fee structure,
yeah,
right?
yeah. We will share it in separate forum. Okay, so we are good to close this call. So can we close the call? If anyone have any doubts, so please ask quickly, or you can ping me or Dinesh. Okay. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you,
fine.
everyone,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
for
everyone.
your
Thanks for your
time.
time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye. I'm
Have a
closing
nice
this
day.
call.
Bye. Yeah. Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.